there's trouble in the sky, danger hanging high, red and blue lights flashing, but don't know how to take action. The best way to shut it down is right there safe on the ground. The end of the situation is true next generation. 'Cause we got the power to take out what goes wrong with precision that will show that our performance wins the war against any unlawful drones. Wherever they get flown, around the world or here at home, yeah, we take pride in keeping the sky as safe as it is blue. And that's what we're gonna do with EnforceAir2. EnforceAir2. Expanded and enhanced to get control into our hands. A longer range and a smaller size means we can handle any surprise. So many ways to be deployed with stationary or mobile choices. So any trouble overhead is just another challenge that's about to be met. 'Cause we got the power